Using the right chimney brush to clean your fireplace or wood stove will keep your home's chimney free from soot and creosote buildup that can cause dangerous chimney fires. To select the right chimney brush for cleaning your chimney, you need to know the following: the material used for your chimney flue, the shape of your chimney flue, and the inside dimensions of your chimney flue. First, chimney flues are made of either masonry materials, usually brick or stone, or of metal materials such as steel, stainless steel, or aluminum. To determine the type of material that your chimney flue is made of, use a flashlight to visually inspect it by looking into it from either the firebox below or the rooftop above. If your chimney flue is made of masonry material, you will need a Rutland Chimney Sweep metal wire cleaning brush, made specifically for cleaning masonry chimney flues to clean it efficiently and effectively. Designed with the homeowner in mind, these brushes are made of oil-tempered spring wire, have an open, single spiral construction with 6 inches of fill, plated shafts, and 1/4-inch NPT threading for easy coupling with Rutland fiberglass extension rods or pull rings. If your flue is made of stainless steel or aluminum, you will need a Rutland Chimney Sweep poly cleaning brush, made specifically for cleaning stainless steel or aluminum chimney flues to safely and thoroughly clean it. Specially designed for stainless steel or aluminum liners, these sturdy poly brushes have 6 inches of fill, 1/4-inch NPT threading for easy coupling with Rutland fiberglass extension rods or pull rings, and are acid resistant. While visually inspecting your flue, also make note of its shape. Is it square, round, rectangular? The brush you select will need to be the same shape as your flue to maximize its cleaning action. Also, be sure to measure the inside dimensions of the chimney opening on your rooftop with a measuring tape. The chimney brush you select should be the same size as your chimney flue inside dimensions. An oversized brush will not improve cleaning action and could become lodged in the chimney. With these 3 pieces of information, your flue's material, shape, and dimensions, you will be able to select the correct Rutland Chimney Sweep cleaning brush. Rutland Chimney Sweep metal and poly cleaning brushes are available in a range of shapes and sizes to effectively and efficiently clean your home's chimney flue. Visit rutland.com to learn more or find a retailer near you.